Hi, my name is Raul Villa, and today we're going to be showing you how to make bakery-style cookies at home. Very basic, easy recipe you can actually do at home. And what you can do with this is actually unlimited. You can actually create whatever you imagine can desire. We're going to put 1 pound of butter, 12 ounces of powdered sugar, now we're going to put 3 eggs, just to how much cream the mixture, scrape it down. Now once it's nice and creamy, we're going to be adding 1 pound, 12 ounces of pastry flour, which is an all-purpose flour. And all you do is mix it in for about a minute, no more than 2 minutes, otherwise you over mix the mix and it kind of breaks down. This cookie dough, you can actually make it in advance, refrigerate it, and have it stored so whenever you need it, it'll be a nice fast cookie. It only takes about 10 minutes to bake in the oven. So you can actually make different sizes when you need them, when you have friends, when you have family, when you have a party.